it's Miguel, and today I'm gonna make for you cornmeal porridge with condensed milk. So you're gonna need about a quarter cup of condensed milk, 1 cup of cornmeal refined, fine good cornmeal, because what I notice, they're mixing them with flour these days, or I don't know, they're a bit white to me. Cinnamon leaf, optional, or you can use like a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon powder, optional, a quarter teaspoon of grated nutmeg. And we're gonna add this mace, this outer thing, it's called a mace, and quarter cup of sugar or less, pinch of salt, and 4 cups of water. Measure your cornmeal, 1 cup. Alright, look at this cornmeal. You see it look orange. Some of the one, and this is even not that good, but this you can tell that it's straight cornmeal. That's why I buy it in a pack. All the others are white. It mixed with white. Look at this, you can tell. Look, real cornmeal. 1 cup. One cup. 2 cups of water, and just soak it. You start but with the banging in my area, so if you hear it, they're building apartments upside where I live. So just start the scene, just allow it to soak for about 15-20 minutes. Just put it aside for later. The objective is we're gonna boil 2 cups of water, boil it, make it come to a boil, and then we're gonna add this 2 cups of water soaked cornmeal to the boiling water and stir it until it starts to creamify, and the stove is gonna be on low. Get a pot for stewing. This is just the cornmeal that was in this water, 2 cups. Alright, this is 3 cinnamon leaves. Just rinse them off. These are dry, but if you can get them fresh, it would be good. Just add it to the water. This is our mace. Just gonna take it off. Rinse it. Add it to the water. And I'm going to add in. Add this early too. Start breakdown from that. Alright, it's about 20-30 minutes soaking. Turn this on. Cover that slightly. Once it comes to a boil, you turn it on. this because I don't want steam start cooking. So put a cup aside, 1 cup of water aside. This is 2 cups, and this is 2 cups. That's warm. It's warm. You can put the stove gauge on low. Almost off low. Almost off low. Between low and off. Stir this in. Alright, it's now 3:37. I'm gonna time it because some people our porridge takes so long. Just cover it. Low. And just leave it. See, if you do that method, it's not gonna be lumpy. And just keep it covered because the hot water and the cold water kind of balance it, so it won't be lumpy. And every 8 to 10 minutes we're going to stir it. Just keep it covered properly. That's how low it is. I don't know if you can see it, but see, it's nearly off. It's important that you keep it low, because if you turn up the stove too much, it's going to cook too quick. And you're going to be forced to add water, and then it's a different story. Alright, this is after 10 minutes. Add a pinch of salt. Stir this in. So it looks. That's how you want it. I didn't say, but half a teaspoon of, quarter to half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm adding quarter. And this one break down. Just cover it properly and leave it. The flame, make sure it's not out. Keep it as low as possible. Alright, this is 20 minutes since we added the cornmeal. It's just thickening and creamy fine. Now we didn't even add the milk yet. Does it look creamy already? You see, it's wise to choose good cornmeal. Every other brand that I look on today was mixed with flour or wheat flour, which to tell what they put in that thing. If they put wheat flour in it, supermarkets, this is for you. If you put flour in the cornmeal, you should state on it that it have quarter cup of flour in it or whatever. Don't just put it in. People think they're buying real cornmeal when it's mixed. That's the thing I don't like. Let us know. Keep it covered properly and very low. Just watch it, make sure it's not out. Just watch it. See how low I put it? Very low. Just watch it. cornmeal porridge is not 15 minutes porridge or 10-minute porridge like some of y'all want. Good things come to those who wait. Alright, this is 40 minutes in. Check that out. Starts thickening. Can't remove these. Once it starts splashing, remove the maize. That's 40 minutes. So just cover it. You see, when you keep it covered, the sweat from the stewing keep the moist in. So it's important that you keep it covered properly, and it's also important that you keep the stove gauge on very low, as low as you can put your stove on. You can add some sugar. Quarter cup. This measures quarter cup. When making porridge, you know, you don't want to make it too sweet. If it's too sweet, it's gonna taste. It's, you know, we in Jamaica say it's gonna claw in. So stir the sugar in and make it go and break. I don't want anything too sweet. This is good enough for me. Some water in this. Alright, it's 50 minutes. This is how creamy you want it. And we're gonna add milk. Alright, this thing here measures quarter cup. Just gonna stir it in. Just cover it properly. You probably can turn the stove up a little bit, like a tot. I'm gonna show you. Move it up from the brim to a little bit. It's just noisy today. Anyway, taste it. Okay, add some more. That was quarter cup. Some more milk. Sweetening. can turn the stove up a little if you want it to thick fast. Another thing you can do is leave it uncovered, but just make it go and simmer, creamify. And on to 1 hour now, so I turn the stove up like that much. So stir it in, and I'm gonna keep it uncovered. So stir it gently as it thickens. And 2, this is authentic Jamaican cornmeal porridge. Cornmeal porridge. Some people add like a little tip of oil, like a drip or 2, but I'm not going to, or butter, but I'm not going to. That kind of creamify it some more. So you just stir it with this spoon, gently touching the bottom. Just stir it. See, it was sweating too much, so I'll take it up because I don't want it to sweat too much. It passed the safe zone. So now it's just cream. It's not gonna be lumpy at all. Look, no lumpy. You see, a lot of Jamaicans don't eat porridge anywhere now, for reasons like these. They want it to be creamy and lump free. When the bubbles start hitting you, splash and hit, that's a sign to say it's ready. And when it starts sticks to the bottom heavily, because it's sticking a little and I can feel it, but when it starts to stick heavily, and to when it cools, it's gonna get thicker. So just stir it, see it splashed, it's splashing. And 2, before I get the way how I'm making this is for babies. You just gotta let it cool. It's for babies as well. See, stick man. You can taste it. Perfect for me. Yeah, I don't want to add like a tablespoon more sugar, just to sweeten it some more. Alright, this is it, really. Alright, that's it. Make it go and bubble. So this took 1 hour and 15 minutes, nearly 20 minutes. You should start smelling it too. So that's it, I'm gonna turn it off. Alright. The aroma is surrounding the room. Yeah, this is it. Cornmeal, authentic Jamaican cornmeal porridge. Very cool. It gets make sure it gets creamy. So you can cover it just to keep it from getting too thick. If you leave it open, it's gonna get thick quick. Oh, the banging in the background is getting to my head, man. So creamy, that is. Not only creamy, but it's pretty. Authentic Jamaican cornmeal porridge with condensed milk. This is what some people do. I used to do as a child. To get really nice chunks and everything. We live on a main, you know, so a lot of trucks passing today, apparently. Alright, tasting time. Perfect to me. The milk wasn't even necessary, but hey, I was just showing you a style. I like to break this up to not too much, like that much. We'll go up with them granny, remember them thing, yeah? I didn't grow up with my grandmother, but I visited the country a lot. And I used to do, I like to see people dip the bread in tea and dip it in porridge. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this. But before, oh man, that's enough. I don't know if I have plenty more. See ya.